Hi everyone. Welcome to a world where power meets art, where every ride is an unforgettable experience. Presenting the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom, aptly named the Fat Wolf. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a legend on wheels, meticulously crafted to captivate and command the road. Join us as we explore the unique features and undeniable allure of this extraordinary machine. Imagine this, a beast on two wheels, a true marvel of power and design, the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom, affectionately dubbed the Fat Wolf. This isn't just any motorcycle, it's a symphony of raw power and aesthetic brilliance, perfectly showcased by the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, the most formidable power unit Harley-Davidson offers outside their exclusive CVO models. This engine is the heart and soul of our customer's Fat Boy, demanding the spotlight with every roar. Drenched in gleaming chrome and polished aluminum, this bike is a rolling piece of art. Take a glance at the tank, and you'll see a mesmerizing airbrushed wolf riding along, an homage to the classic airbrush art of the 80s and 90s. On one side, a white wolf meets your gaze with piercing eyes, while on the other, it howls at the moon, evoking images of nocturnal adventures under the starlit sky. Could it be that our client and his pack roam the night, guided by the moon's glow? Visibility is inevitable with this Fat Boy. From the front to the back, it dazzles with chrome and polished aluminum, ensuring it stands out whether in the sunlight or under streetlights. The new exhaust system from Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde not only enhances its auditory presence but adds to its visual allure, making it impossible to sneak up on anyone. Let's talk about the bike's full gear. It's not just about the rider, but also about the passenger. Often seen cruising with his wife, our customer ensures her comfort with a padded backrest and small running boards from the Willie G Skull collection, mirroring his own setup. The sundowner seat guarantees safety and comfort for both, and the chrome-plated luggage rack system, easily detachable in seconds, adds a practical yet stylish touch. From every angle, the bike's splendor is undeniable. The exhaust system gleams in high-gloss chrome, complementing the rich, resonant sound it produces. Approaching this Fat Boy, you're met with a formidable front, a mighty fork with chrome covers, a wide Hollywood handlebar with far-reaching mirrors, and shining fittings. Footpegs and levers, all chrome, accentuate the bike's powerful stance. Even the lamp mask leaves no doubt about its dominance on the road. And then there's the rear, a massive roller covered by a Harley-Davidson breakout rear fender, rolling on a chrome disc wheel that's reflective enough to see yourself in. This bike is more than a ride, it's a statement. Our customer didn't just customize his Fat Boy, he crafted a masterpiece, meticulously pulling together every element to create a motorcycle that's as powerful as it is captivating. In every chrome detail and roaring rev, the Fat Wolf stands as a testament to exceptional craftsmanship and undeniable power. This Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom is more than a ride, it's a statement, a reflection of passion and precision. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep riding in style and let the road be your canvas.